I just want to take this time láti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn wèrè Muslim. Wọ́n ṣe ọgbọ́n Muslim àwọn olóòórùn kan lára àwọn idiot àwọn wèrè tán ni wọ́n ṣe Muslim tán bastardize Yorùbá tán fi religion tán fi bastardize Yorùbá race wọn tán bastardize Yorùbá race torí pé wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀sìn, you know, because Nigeria kò sí regulation, there's no religion regulation in Nigeria. In fact, ibi tí Islam ti wá ní Saudi Arabia, if you go there, if you go to all those Qatar Arab countries, they don't allow their religion to disturb their life. One are religious, one share religion, one at the same time they have their life to live. Everything is going on very well and smooth for them. But you come out for all Muslim, come out for shake football, come out for jakiri titi. What you in Nigeria, you know? I just want to talk about this about Oluwo boy Wale rarada. Wale, you know, Wale, you know, because the country over it down, because a lot of people talk about embarrassing position of authority in Nigeria these days. They are just people to just where they have nothing. That's why your can be a very important person can come and be on position. Then how do you expect people like that come and misbehave? You know, Wale ko ma bu Yoruba land, ko ma sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàkàṣàkà nípa Yoruba, nípa a particular race. Torí ẹ̀sìn tó ń gbé wá láti ibi kan tó mọ̀ anything nípa ẹ̀. Wale is never a Muslim nor a Christian or anything. Canada bí báyìí ni Wale wà for years. Jẹ́ pé orí bukulo for Wale ò níṣẹ́ náà. Ṣé ó níṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe Canada ó máa ń jalè kiri ní náà. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ń ṣojú. Ó lè ní Wale ń jà kiri. Wale Olúwo yẹn kò níṣẹ́ kankan tó ṣe Canada bí báyìí. Tó máa ń yà mí lẹ́nu táwọn tó wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ máa wò ó ṣe Wale náà lélẹ́yìí. Ó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó gbowó rí Western Road Sheridan Mall àbí tó máa ń rìn kiri kò nílé kò ní everything bàtà ti lé kúrò nílé pẹ̀lú ọ̀dọ̀ obìnrin ló ń gbé náà tí yẹn lé kúrò nílé kò nílé ìbí kó máa sùn sínú mọ́tò kó máa sùn sílé ọ̀rẹ́ kiri bí Wale ṣe ń ṣe nìyẹn náà. Wale got nothing, you know. Gígọ́lọ̀ ní Wale bí kó máa wá àwọn obìnrin kiri àwọn ìyá táwa láti Nàìjíríà yẹn kó máa lé wọn kiri kó máa bá wọn sùn nǹkan tó ń ṣe kiri nìyẹn kò níṣẹ́ míì tó ń ṣe. Wale has not his most highly irresponsible man. Lára àwọn tí ò wà responsible Canada, Wale is one of them. Ó jẹ́ number one ọ̀gá ni. Who is Wale? Ó wá lọ sí Nàìjíríà ó wá ti fi tó ti lọ romance one woman ló introduce ẹ̀ sí Abiola Chief Abiola Ogundoyin àgbẹ̀gbẹ̀ orúkọ máa Ìwó yẹn. That was the man that tó mọ Wale tó meet Wale through woman yẹn tó fi di pé ó sọ pé ọmọ Ìwó lòun. And he was very like to the man kó wá láti ilé ọba ní ìròkó wá láti ilé ọba kankan bí báyìí ti gbé lọ sí Ìwó nìyẹn, you know. Torí wọ́n bí máa ń bí pé ó lè máa control ẹ̀ tó bá ti jọba tán. Ọmọ pé hooligans ni Wale pé bàbá ńlá 419 is a thief ó dùbọ̀ ẹni náà kò sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó máa lu jìbìtì kiri títì ló ń ṣe kiri surely as the identity in Canada ni. He had no identity here. O wa lọ compare rẹ̀ o lọ ń fẹ́ máa stand shoulder to shoulder pẹ̀lú Ooni of Ife. Even kákọ́ yọ Ooni kúrò ńbẹ̀ kó jẹ́ pé ẹni ìtàn lásán kó jẹ́ pé èèyàn tó wà ní position yẹn lásán gan Wale ò lè stand there. Wale ò lè nu bàtà ẹni ìtàn. Ká yọ Ooni kúrò ńbẹ̀ ká yọ position yẹn. Wale kò lè ju office boy fún Ooni of Ife. Office boy tó bá ní kan ordinary personality kó má sí status. He will just be an office boy, errand boy ló máa jẹ́ sí Ọ̀jájá. Ó wá lọ ń compete ó lọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ torí pé wọ́n ti fi ẹ́ lọ jọba wọ́n gbé lọ sí Ìwó ó lọ ń jọba wọ́n lọ fi jọba wèrè kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ó wá ń lẹ́nu elébi ni náà máa yẹn sọ nínú ìtàbí ẹ̀ pé nígbà tí Wale dé Nàìjíríà pé $100 ló bá dé Nàìjíríà $100 bó ló ti fẹ́ rówó. Wale jẹ́ pé ṣe ló commit crime kiri tó ń sá kiri ṣé ó nílé ni. He said the most useless human being on earth is Oluwo Of Iwo.
Odipo, this is Laura Popson. Thank you for watching.
Nígbà tó wà ní Canada àbí báyìí wọ́n lọ compete pẹ̀lú Ooni of Ife. Ooni of Ife that have a lot of people on his payroll. You know what I mean? All the chiefs, God, they jẹ́ ọba ló ti ó ra mọ́tò gbogbo chief tó wà ní Ifẹ̀. He has a lot of restaurants all over Yoruba land. He had a university. He had a lot of things. He had a lot of places in Lagos to employ. That man must have employed nothing less than 5,000 to 10,000 people. Tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ London. Gbogbo àwọn tó wà palace taking care of all of them. Jẹ́ kí Wale bọ́ síta kó wá fi Islam wẹ̀ kó wá fi sọ nǹkan tó fi ṣe sí wo. Do you know how many things that Ojaja have done in Ilé Ifẹ̀ alone? Kí Wale bọ́ síta kó fi nǹkan tí Islam wẹ̀ tó fi ṣe sí kíní Wale máa lọ sí north torí wọ́n ti fún lówó ní north wọ́n ní kó máa ba ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́ torí pé owó tó ń fún àwọn Muslim wọ́n wá ní wọ́n ṣe ìrònú sí pé ó ń ba Muslim ìgbà tó ti ń sọ̀tọ̀kùsọ kiri ṣe é sọ pé ó ń ba Muslim jẹ́ ìgbà ìdẹ́kan máa bú Muslim ṣé Wale ràn yín ni Wale ò ràn yín náà tó rówó gbà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ Muslim ni now because you just paying his bills bí Muslim dàrú lọ́la bó jẹ́ Christian ló tó ń fún lówó tó jọ́ọ̀bù sí Christian nìyẹn ìgbà tó dé Ìwó ṣé kò ṣe ìṣẹ̀ṣe ni àbí kò ń jójó pàlóńgò orí burúkú kiri tó fi mú yín mọ́lẹ̀ bàtà Muslim bẹ́ẹ̀ sì sanwó fún torí pé ó rẹ̀ pé ó wà nídìí Muslim ó já sí di Muslim ó tó dọ̀là owó tó wà ń ṣẹ̀ṣe á tó já sí di ìṣẹ̀ṣe kí ló kàn Wale no send anybody. You know, everybody will just have to rally around and make sure that Yoruba land here, we don't have any other place. And she Arab. We are not Arab. Majority of you that say Yoruba is from Arab. Belo lara you know they say Arab come for citizenship to any of Arab country. How many of you? Only for citizenship. Nobody. I just did my jókòó sí ròbìn sí mo kàn ń wo fídíò kan bí Wale ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ jágbajàgba Olúwo rádaràda ẹ̀yin alára wo wọ́n kàn lọ fi olórí burúkú kan wèrè wọ́n lọ fi jọba lẹ́yìn lórí and you guys were ẹ̀dẹ̀ inú yín dùn. Ó yẹ kẹ́ plan ẹ̀ máa lé bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀dà kúrò mẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ wáyàn tó wà responsible yẹn gidi wọ́n fún Wale ní owó ní ọ̀la ó lè kó àwọn Boko Haram wá láti north pé kán wá ṣe anything kán wá pa anybody níwò yẹn. The only thing kò lówó náà is a poor boy, very poor boy, poor and wretched ni Wale. You know, you guys, you have to be very mindful of how you treat your own people. Just because of money, you just talk anyhow about your race, you talk anyhow about your people, just because you want to pay your bills. He decided to be a very lazy young guy, very lazy idiot. One taka pẹ̀lú ọ̀jàjà o ti ẹ̀rọ position Ọọ̀ni ẹ̀ lásán kò ti ẹ̀rọ tí o pẹ̀lú Ọọ̀ni jọ wà ní same category ni. If not for politics pé wọn kì máa ń kọ́ máa try láti regulate religion Nigeria so yẹ kí muslim wèrè kan kó máa bú odidi muslim ẹlẹ́yìn muslim religion, you are a religion ẹ máa bú odidi race ṣé religion ju race lọ ni. It's not a Nigerian religion, it's not a Yoruba religion. Just go and bring it from somewhere, and for a very long time ẹ̀ wà lọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ lórí àwọn èèyàn ní Yoruba land. Orí pa àwọn ẹ̀rẹ́ ti gbà wọ́n ṣe báyìí táṣì rẹ̀ ti tútù wọn rẹ̀ ti do. Things cannot continue to be like that for life. Anything fake ó máa wà visible lọ́jọ́ pé fake lélẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ máa dànù ó máa embrace originality. Everybody know that your tradition is your tradition. There's no way you bring a foreign thing to your place. It will not fit in. It will always be a problem. What are they using the Islam to preach in Nigeria? You know, if you preach in Yoruba land, kí ni Islam ti ṣe? Wálé tó jẹ́ Muslim, Islam kí ló ti ṣe níwò? Ọ̀ni tó ń bú tó ló ń ṣe àìmọye a lè sọ so many things, like a lot of things you can mention about Ooni of Ife tó ṣe sí Yoruba land, Ife, Èkó everywhere. He has a resort almost everywhere, Akure everywhere. He's starting one in Ekiti very soon. You know, most of the time gbé àwọn people yẹn ẹ̀yin ará wo yẹn lọ wá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn máa yọ wèrè yẹn dànù kẹwàá yàn gidi kẹfì ìjọba yẹn kó yẹ disgrace yẹn kiri, but for that wálé wèrè yẹn pé iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bá dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ come and tell me that you are not a tout in Canada here. You are just a useless lazy man here. You don't have any job. Dárúkọ tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ ní Canada, dárúkọ ọbẹ̀ all along you are in Canada. Mention that place that you are worked. You lazy idiot.